So this is the pretty much the last hole, external hole, rust hole on the car, and get figured out why the window isn't working. Or sorry, not the window, the door lock, door handle. This is for the window though, isn't it? This is odd. Something for glass. The hell? But yeah, so what else? This thing just literally just fell off today. Just held on by the rope. So that's a sign that I should make a nice big piece of steel on that. I think there's been much change on this side. I welded a piece in here. Where's the flash? No flash. To form these ridges here. It's not pretty, but it'll look better once I clean it up. But yeah, there's still quite a bit of work to do in here, but it's going pretty fast. Oh yeah, there's the door. The doors turned out real nice. I had to use ice, using the ice technique. Another piece here. And this piece just turned out beautifully. This whole spot here, partly inside as well. And I started putting some stainless bolts. Did some work on the inside of the fenders. So there's a crack here that I welded. Reinforcing here. Side of the outside was full of fiberglass shit. But the reason I had to weld that is because of the penetration. I welded a stainless washer of the inside of that. I'll show you that in a second. The eye hole here for the bolt was pretty much gone, so welded a stainless washer in there. Nice piece of reinforcement here at the bottom. I'm gonna straighten this out. I think somebody hit the fender. So, welded a flat bar, stainless flat bar in there. Force this. Washer there, washer there. Force this, welded this. See, it's just it just amazes me how crappy they made and still make it even worse today, these fenders. Like, it's just kind of bent. You can see it's not even welded, it's just kind of pressed and then glued on there. I think just spot welded. Absolutely hideous. So you have to have stainless where bolts go, because as you spin the bolt and just the pressure from the bolt being squashed, it'll squash the paint and remove any paint and then you start to get rust. So it's very important to have stainless. So cut out a piece to bend for here, and so I think at this point, get back to this door.